everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shabita Kotak and I'm a health and well-being coach. I help people live a healthier, happier life physically, mentally and spiritually. And today I'm going to share with you tips on how to survive the holiday season and stay healthy. So here are my 5 top tips. Tip number 1 is to pack your snacks with you. Have some healthy snacks, nuts, fruits, vegetable sticks in your bag. So when you're at a function or you're hungry in between the day, or you're at work and there's lots of cakes and chocolates hanging around, you're less likely to binge on that and you're probably going to go towards your healthy snacks as an option. And at least you've got your option there with the fruits and vegetables when you're surrounded by chocolates and cakes. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is don't skip meals. We tend to skip meals when we know we've got a party to go to in the evening, thinking, oh, well, I've got a party to go to, I'm not going to eat a lot during the day. But that will make you hungrier when you get to that meal. So the most important thing is have your breakfast, have your lunch, and don't skip your meals. And that leads on to tip number 3. When you're going to a party, make sure you're not starving, because when you're starving, you're going to tend to sort of eat whatever you can see instead of just mindfully eating. And that leads to tip number 4. When you're at a party, make sure you grab a plate instead of at a buffet just eating and finger fooding and grazing at things, and while you're standing, put it on a plate so you can visually see what you're eating and you're more aware of what's going into your mouth. And tip number 5 is to maybe, if you can, drive to the event. That will prevent you from drinking too much. And it will also, when you drink, you tend to eat a bit more than normal. So you're more mindful of what you're eating and you're saving money. So there are my tips on how to survive Christmas. It's very simple and easy to do. Pack your snacks. Don't skip meals. If you're going to an event, make sure you eat before you go. When you're at an event or party, serve yourself in a plate so you can see what you're eating. And if you can, try to drive to the event, and that way you're not going to drink too much and you're more mindful of what you eat. So thanks for watching. Let me know if these tips, or if you've got any tips on how to stay healthy over the holiday period. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this channel, and I'd love to hear from you how you survive over Christmas and the New Year. Thanks for watching. Bye.